In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new Gmail account. This quick start guide will walk you through the process step by step, ensuring you have everything you need to get up and running with your new email account. Gmail is widely used due to its reliability and integration with various Google services, so having a Gmail account can be really beneficial. To get started, open your web browser and navigate to the Gmail website. Once there, you'll want to find your way to the profile icon located typically at the top right corner of your Gmail interface. By clicking on this icon, you'll be presented with several options. What you need to do here is select Add Another Account. This option allows you to start the process of creating a brand new account. After choosing to add another account, you'll see the option to Create Account. Click on it. You're prompted here because Google allows the flexibility to manage more than one account seamlessly. Next, select For My Personal Use from the options provided. This is to ensure that you're creating a personal account rather than a business one, which might have different requirements or features. Now comes the time to enter your personal information. Type in your full name as you want it to appear on your new account. This will be how people see your name in emails and contacts, so make sure it's accurate. After entering your name, proceed by clicking the Next button. The following step requires you to provide your birthday and your gender. This information helps Google to personalize your experience and ensure security. Once you've added these details, click Next again to continue. With the basic personal information provided, it's time to select a username. A list of suggested usernames will appear, and you can choose one from this list or try something different if you have a specific username in mind. This will be the address others will use to email you, so choose something memorable or professional depending on your preference. After picking a username, click Next. Finally, it's time to create a strong password. Your password is key to protecting your account, so make sure it's something secure that you can remember. A good password often includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Once you're confident in your password, complete the process, and there you have it, you've successfully set up your new Gmail account. Remember, you'll now be able to access not only your email but also all the other services Google offers with this account. Enjoy your new email setup and the enhanced connectivity it provides. If you have any questions or issues, Google's support options are always there to help. Thanks for watching.